This might be the easiest cheese quesadilla you have ever made. It's so delicious, you're gonna wanna make it today.
Quick and tasty on the farm where recipes live on for generations.
If you love cheesy quesadillas with a kick, you are going to love today's recipe. Today I am making green chili pork cheese quesadillas with a twist, and it is delicious. Let's get cooking. Hey friends, welcome back to Quick and Tasty on the Farm, where we keep things simple, tasty, and doable, no matter what your stage of life is. Today's meal is one of those meals that you could make for lunch, dinner, or even a snack. It's super easy and so delicious. All you need is a few simple ingredients from your fridge. Tortillas, cheese. I'm gonna use a little cream cheese today, butter, and a meat of your choice or not. Today I'm using leftover green chili meat. You guys are gonna love this recipe. Let's get cooking. I'm gonna turn on my pan. I'm using my skillet today on medium heat. Too hot, and your quesadilla is going to burn before the cheese melted. So medium heat is about perfect. What I'm gonna do first is I'm actually going to spread a thin layer of cream cheese on my quesadilla. You don't need to do this, but it's just a little added step that makes the quesadilla extra special. Just like that, super simple. The next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a little bit of butter, and I actually am gonna put some butter on my skillet. And this is what makes the outside of the quesadilla golden and crispy. I'm gonna drop my tortilla right on that butter. And the next thing we're gonna do is do some cheese. This is what makes your quesadilla stick together. So I'm gonna sprinkle it all over the top. Next is add my pre-made, I already cooked it yesterday, green pork chili verde. You guys, check out this recipe right here. I've posted it before. This is the simplest green chili and so delicious. Now, I could just keep it a cheese quesadilla, which is so yummy, but I'm gonna make it extra special today and add some of this pork green chili. So we're just gonna put that on half of the side of the tortilla. You actually don't need a lot because this is packed full of flavor and going to be so delicious. Now let's just flip this quesadilla in half. You hear that? Sizzling, so good. My family is going to love this for a quick lunch today. A great way to use leftover green chili meat, leftover pork, leftover roast, anything you have, you can add to your quesadilla, and it's just a great means to stretch your leftovers a little farther. I'm gonna flip this right now and see how it looks on the other side. Ooh, look at that. We're gonna add a little extra cheese on top because it's a quesadilla and why not? My family is going to love this, and so are you. Seriously, I'm gonna cook up a few more so we can all eat together. Let's cut into this and I'll show you what it looks like inside. Look at that. Look at that cheese. Yum, and the cream cheese. Yum. The nice thing about this meal is it's what you like. If you like cream cheese, add it. If you don't add it. If you like pork or beef, add it or don't add it. If you just like cheese, cheesy quesadillas are delicious. Give it a try. Go buy some tortillas and a few simple ingredients. Thanks for cooking with me today on Quick and Tasty on the Farm. I love sharing with you what we love to make in our kitchen at home. And this is one of our very, very favorites. So enjoy.